Meaning of decompose.
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 Decompose. The verb decompose refers to the process of breaking down or disintegrating a complex substance or system into simpler parts or components. This can occur in a variety of contexts, including chemical reactions, biological processes, and mathematical calculations. The result of decomposition is typically an understanding of the underlying structure and organization of the original substance or system. In some cases, this can reveal new insights or opportunities for further analysis or optimization. Overall, decomposition is a powerful tool for understanding and manipulating complex systems at a fundamental level.